Hi friends, welcome to Robotales. Today, I'm learning coding magic. Watch this. I'll make code blocks float. Ready? Let's start coding. Today, we're going to discover the magic of coding. Hi friends, coding is like giving clear instructions to robots. Just like this. Let's learn together. Hi friends, let's play with code blocks. We use these blocks to tell me what to do. This one says forward. Let's stack them. Now you can program me. Hi friends, let's learn about sequences. First, we stack this red block. Then, we add this blue one. That's called a sequence.
This block makes me repeat actions. Salute them.
If I see a friend, then I wave. That's if-then logic.
When the code is correct, magic happens and I can do amazing things.
Coding helps robots think and make smart decisions. You just learned the basics of block coding.
Let's try another sequence together.
See? Step by step, I can make shapes.
Loops save time. I don't have to say the same thing again and again. If then helps me react to what happens around me. Coding makes robots really smart.
Great job! One more time! You're a coder too! The end! Great coding today! What should Robo code next?